Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today we're going to show you how to make the best baked beans I've ever had. We've got this recipe from my husband's Aunt Sandra, who has since passed away from cancer, but every time we make it we get to think about her. I will leave a link to the recipe in the description box below so you can have access to a print copy. I'm not really exact when it comes to the ingredients. For example, if I have half a green pepper, I use it instead of a whole green pepper. Same with the onion. If I don't want to put as much bacon, I don't. If I want to put ham, I do that instead. So don't worry about if you don't have exactly everything. As long as you have all of the ingredients, it's okay if you're just a little short with some. Start by opening your cans of beans and your pineapple. You use 3 large cans of pork and beans and a can of crushed pineapple. And then put them in a bowl. A lot of times I'll make half of this recipe for our family. It makes a lot of beans, but they freeze really well. I freeze them in single-sized portions for my husband to take for work. Next, you're going to add your bacon and then add some onion and then your green pepper. And then I like to add ham, so I add that to mine, and some brown sugar, and then some ketchup. Then you're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. Mix it really well in a bowl, and then you're going to put it in an oven-safe dish, like a casserole dish. And if you have time, it's good to be able to let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. And then the next day you'll bake it at 350 for 2 hours or longer, depending on how long it takes for the fluid to evaporate. If you don't have time to let it sit overnight, then you bake it for about 4 hours or more at 300 degrees. And that's all there is to it. I think you'll really like them. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.